Large-scale designs like interior graphics demand patterns that look flawless across wide surfaces, and this technique shows you how professionals prepare them. How to create wallpaper-style patterns. Begin in Photoshop by creating a square document around 2000 pixels to capture sufficient detail for scaling. Activate Pattern Preview from the View menu so you can see live repetition outside the canvas boundaries. Use the Shape or Brush tool to draw decorative motifs, intentionally placing some elements so they extend beyond the edges to guarantee seamless tiling. Adjust spacing with guides to keep distribution balanced and visually comfortable. Once the layout feels complete, refined colors